Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Lever to Gmail, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start connecting Lever to your Gmail account, open your web browser, navigate to the Lever website and log in to your Lever account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon to access the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the drop-down options. In the Settings menu, find the Integrations tab on the left side. Click on Integrations to view the available integration options. Locate the Gmail integration option from the list. Click on the Connect button next to the Gmail integration. A pop-up window will open prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Gmail credentials and click Next. You may be prompted to allow Lever access to your Gmail account. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once permissions are granted, you'll be redirected back to the Lever settings. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your Gmail is now connected. To verify the integration, go to a candidate's profile in Lever. Check for the Gmail icon that indicates email correspondence is linked. Now, you can send and receive emails directly from Lever using your Gmail account. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Lever to your Gmail account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.